Ellen, and we're just going to talk today about the process for supplying TTA packs. The first thing you need to do is read the policy if you haven't already done so. It's on the intranet and there's also a copy in the TTA pack folder. Once you're happy, just make sure you sign on the appendix to say you can use the policy.
Nikki here, one of the ED consultants. I'm going to describe the process for prescribing TTA pre-packs on FirstNet. First of all, right-click on your patient to bring up this drop-down box and then click on Quick Orders. Now this screen appears, and for prescribing TTA pre-packs stocked in the urgent care pharmacy cupboard, click on either TTA ED to supply, or if you're not a prescriber but use PGDs, click on ENP TTA pack. This screen will now appear, and from the 1st of December there will be a greater range of medication to choose from. Put a tick in the box next to the medication you would like. If the medication you want is not on the list, you will either need to use an FP10 out of hours or 9 to 5 Monday to Friday. You can send a request to the Lloyd's pharmacy in the atrium for the patient to pick up. Once you have selected the medication you want to prescribe, this screen pops up. Under the order column, the word Prescribe should appear, and you know you're following the right process if Prescribe appears. For some medication, you'll find a white cross in a blue circle next to the drug, like this one next to aspirin. This means that more information is required, in this case, an indication. FirstNet will automatically prompt you to provide the right information when you click Sign at the bottom of the page. So that's everything you need to do to prescribe a TTA pre-pack. Now back to Ellen.
Once the medicine has been prescribed on FirstNet, check for the correct product in the urgent care pharmacy room. Make sure that the prescription matches exactly and that the directions on the label match the prescription. Complete the patient's name and today's date, and then check it with a second member of staff.
Hi, I'm going to describe the process for dispensing TTA pre-packs on FirstNet. First of all, find your patient on FirstNet. In the nursing task column, you'll find a number as highlighted by the red oval. Click on the number and a list of tasks will appear. Click on ED to supply and this box will pop up. This is the bit that's changed. Apart from codeine and diazepam, we no longer need to make a double-signed written record in the TTA logbooks. Those logbooks are going to disappear. And instead, we need a second signature on FirstNet.
Final stage is to speak to the patient, counsel them on how to take the medicine and any side effects to watch out for. And if they don't pay prescription charges, they can go home. But if they're not exempt, then they need to pay for their prescription at reception.